If you are looking for best robot vacuums, this video is for you. Let's get started with the list. Product number 1, most popular ECOVACS FBA_DN622DN79 Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. Product number 2, Eufy RoboVac 11, high suction, self-charging robotic vacuum cleaner. Product number 3, ILIFE A4S Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Product number 4, iRobot Roomba 980 Robot Vacuum with Wi-Fi connectivity. Product number 5, iRobot Roomba 960 Robot Vacuum.
for cleaner floors throughout your entire home at the push of a button. Meet the iRobot Roomba 900 series vacuum cleaning robot. The power to change the way you clean. The Roomba 900 series vacuum cleaning robot helps you keep up with everyday mess. Thanks to its advanced iAdapt 2.0 navigation system, the 900 series seamlessly navigates an entire level of your home. A full suite of sensors and a visual localization system help the Roomba 900 series map your home as it cleans, so it always knows exactly where it is, where it's been, and where it needs to go next. While its low-profile design enables it to clean under furniture, beneath its calm exterior, the Roomba 900 series cleaning system is hard at work. It automatically increases power on carpets and rugs, delivering up to 10 times the air power for an even deeper clean. The AeroForce 3-stage cleaning system balances the 3 components of effective vacuuming: agitation, brushing, and suction. And thanks to the new iRobot Home app, your powerful cleaning partner is always ready to go. You can start, schedule, and monitor the 900 series from just about anywhere and anytime. Cleaner floors every day, all at the push of a button. The Roomba 900 series, the power to change the way you clean.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.